It is time for another edition of the Swap Portfolio Update. Let's see where we are this week. Right now, what you see on the screen was the last time we did the update, and we ended up with $43,864 of value with the revenue with these actually assets. And let's check out where we are right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And leading the charge is Saitama. Saitama has definitely been booming in the marketplace as you see those green candles, and you also see the volume down there. But let's go back to the swap portfolio, and this is what we were last time. What we did is September 17th, 2021. Shiba all the way down to Baby Doge. I added Baby Doge into this portfolio spreadsheet because I do like some news that came out not that long ago, so they got me a little bit more bullish on Baby Doge, along with all these other ones here as well. So we had an increase of $8,970, and let me give you a recap. We've been doing this since August 4th, and we started out with 24,000, and in each week it seemed like we increased not only our positions but the tokenomics, and also the price has been going up and down as well. So let me go all the way down where we are. We have 34,000, and then was at 43, and the tokenomics is right there. The biggest tokenomics I see here is KISHU and Saitama from the previous week. So let's see where we are right now. And this is where we are. We have Shiba down to Baby Doge, and we have a total value of $59,749 with an overall increase from the last update of 15,000. And what's leading the charge is Saitama, because the booming is beginning, has already started. So Shiba, let's go down the list from 1 down to Baby Doge. So Shiba, we have 1,120 tokens. We're bearing those in our Shiba swap. The price actually decreased some, and so the value went down to $7,868. So a down increase of about 1,400. And we haven't added any more tokens from our positions from the last update, but we do plan to add more this upcoming week. Now we got Bone. We've been bearing our Bone. We've been bearing our Shiba, so we're able to add more Bone from the last update, 145. And let me tell you something, that's just for actually bearing the Bone and actually staking in it as well. So, but the prices went down to about $1,325 of the decrease, and I brought the value down to $5,270. But we're adding more Bone each and every single day. Leash remains the same in terms of the amount of holding, in terms of the token amount. The price continues to decrease, but I do feel like Leash has a lot of potential, especially with the Shiba swap or the Shiba ecosystem. The price went down to $387. I'm okay with that because I do see the big picture of Bone and Leash and Shiba. Now let's get down to some of the good stuff that's in terms of the increase, because all these are good in my opinion based off the research. Saitama, boom, have increased 5 billion tokens from September 17th, and an increase of revenue $20,000. I can tell you that we've only put in about $4,500 into Saitama, and we have an automatically total revenue of $33,000, and that's continuing to going up based off these actually numbers here. So, and we see here we got more tokens because of the beautiful tokenomics of the ecosystem of Saitama makes this a really, really good position. So let's go down to the next list. KISHU has been down, even though they just actually was doing a promotion out to the Red Sox and Yankee game just this past weekend, but the price remains and still in the limbo. But I do have high hopes for KISHU. They have a good marketing team, and good things are coming up in the future with them. So the NFTs and everything with that, I got a good position with KISHU with over 5 trillion, and I'm continuing to holding there as well. We got over 2 trillion of Saitama as well. Ryoshi Vision tokens, that's actually increased some because we're staking our Shiba on Shiba Swap. And so what happens is, just real quick, it allows you to earn Ryoshi Vision tokens. So we actually are increasing the amount of tokens, but the price, it is lower. But I do remain positive about Ryoshi Vision all of these tokens really. SafeMoon has been down as well. We did add more tokenomics in terms of SafeMoon token, 700,000. That's not bad at all from 1 week to the next, or basically in the last 10 days. But the price was down $286. I got high hopes for SafeMoon as well. Everwise is a sleeper in this bunch. They just announced some really good things they're going to do with their Everown, and they're bridging with Ethereum and also with BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain. They're doing some bridging with that, and Polygon Matic. I do think Everwise has a great potential, and I remain positive. In fact, I may even add some more to my position because of the news that came out just earlier yesterday. And I'm looking at here, even though we're down $484 from the previous week, but look at that position of Everwise of $4 billion. We added more during the dip, and we're going to add more do it this week more than likely. So, and also Everwise got great tokenomics as well. Fake tokens, another token here I do like. I got a small position in there, 105 billion, but the prices went down in there. Although the whole market seemed to be down except for Saitama, but we did earn 52 million tokens in terms of tokenomics from the previous time. And Baby Doge, we just increased our position up to 1 trillion because I like some of the news that's coming out and more news coming in the future. So I plan to hold Baby Doge for quite some time and probably take positions, probably take some profit with this once the price really start to move. But we also increased 971 billion, and it just got it on the dip. Wasn't very much money at all. It was really low. I did some research. I got in position. Now I'm really excited about it. So overall, $15,000 from last time we did this update was September 17th. And now we're looking forward to the next update, which we're going to try to do next week. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. When we first started this update, it was around 24,000. We only had so many different tokens in our portfolio. Now we're up to 59,000 with a good increase this week. I'll see you on the next swap portfolio update. Saitama leading the charge, and I do believe these other coins will start moving as well. Don't forget to click on the link below. Check out Shiba Swap or Uniswap to check out some of these tokens, because literally I got all of these tokens probably on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, or Shiba Swap. I'll see you on the next video.